gives us immense pleasure to be here sharing our music with all of you.
बहुत ही बेहतरीन और मुझे लगता है मानसून को रिप्रेजेंट करता हुआ ये था।
ओके
फील हो रहा था मानसून रंग।
It was very soothing to my ears.
Mesmerizing. I never knew that Monsoon was so musical and so thoughtful. It actually took us down to the romanticism of Monsoon. I really enjoyed the performance.
Madam, how was the Jugalbandi between Sitar and Suraj?
It was a wonderful conversation between the two. First time I came to see them, it was a great evening.
Been following these two artists since a while now, and both these instruments are very dear to me.
What about the Jugalbandi? What was the highlight for you?
जुगलबंदी I mean I could see their जो कहते हैं ना आपस में understanding. Of course now they are very they have played a lot. So that was the most beautiful thing. I mean there was no separate this thing, that homogeneity was there. The common public could also enjoy that. That was the beauty of the show.
It was very nice actually. In fact, the aura that they created inside was very nice. You know, like 10-15 days back also we were here when there was Barkha Ritu that was played. So we came back again because it's always a different feeling when you hear them live. That was amazing.
renditions. And I have heard of Mohan Brothers performances in Facebook, but this time I could enjoy this in the auditorium. So I liked it very much.
So what was the standout feature of this Jugalbandi? What was the highlight which you loved the most?
Very, very fine. Dhrupads and Dhamars. These are ancient types of Indian classical music, Hindustani classical music. So they choose one portion or one performance on Dhamar. I liked it very much. I used to enjoy the performances in Calcutta in this SRA. All these former artists like Ali Akbar, Ravi Shankar, then Nikhil Banerjee, all this I have heard.
It's a very beautiful thing in India that there's a whole culture around rain and monsoon. Even in our music, our literature, there's so much of the romanticizing of the rains.
ऑफ लेट वेस्टर्न और इंडियन पॉप इतना ज़्यादा नॉइजी हो गया है कि वी आर ऑल कमिंग बैक टू इंडियन क्लासिकल फॉर सूदिंग एंड रिलैक्सिंग ऑल्सो.
Mind-blowing. This is the first real live performance that I've seen of Mohan Brothers, and it was really amazing because of the talent, sheer talent that they have. That's my take on it.
It's mesmerizing. That's the one word I would like to say. It's actually mesmerizing.
It was absolutely mesmerizing. This was my very first experience with Hindustani music, or for that matter, and I really enjoyed it. And I've got my teenager daughter with me. I was a little skeptical that she might sleep through the performance. She was totally awake, and as she was tapping her foot, I think it shows clearly that she also loved it. The whole session was absolutely wonderful. It was as if the gods were dancing.
How was the overall experience of this performance?
Still the music is ringing in my heart. It was wonderful, splendid, fabulous, and I lose my words. No adjectives can express the beauty of this music.
Such a divine thing. Fantastic. I mean, I haven't seen such a soulful performance ever.
So it was really enthralling. We're a big fan of sitar, and when played with Saroj, it actually gives out an enthralling experience in itself. So when they started in their journey in 2012 and 14 itself, we've been following them since then, and we were really looking forward to this concert, and being here really means a lot to us. And meeting them in person was a great experience as well. So I think it's really great for them to come out to us, to give us this piece, to give us this performance, and actually kept us captivating throughout the time. And I think youngsters now are actually coming forward to enjoy all of these pieces together as well.
How was the experience about this event?
I think I can't really explain in words. It's it was a scintillating, mesmerizing experience, and I would say the entire performance was really soul-stirring. Because I'm a great lover of music. I also have been trained into Hindustani classical, and I was also learning sitar. Because of the time constraints, I've not been able to do my riyaz on sitar. But after listening to him, I think I must put back myself again. Yeah, but it was just beautiful. And simply saying that it was beautiful, I think you need to experience it. And if I hadn't come today, I would have missed something really wonderful. Yeah.
And ma'am, what was the standout feature of today's Jugalbandi?
I would say the synchronization of sarod and sitar. Since the base today was rain, the two instruments, when moved in synchronicity, I mean, you could just visualize, you could feel that, yeah, it was raining. And the last especially, that was Desh Malhar. Just amazing. Classical music, which had been losing its importance amongst the young generation. I would feel this is the music which can do wonders. And I would urge the youngsters, especially the newer generation, to really delve into it and see what really are they missing on.